What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to accept an offer on Poshmark and the complete process around it, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to accept an offer and everything around that process, I'm gonna help you with it right now. So as you can see, how to start an offer and everything around it. To submit an offer through a bundle, visit bundle that contains at least one item, select offer, enter your offer and shipping discount. Then select submit. To submit an offer to likers, go to one of your listings, select offer price drop, select offer to likers, enter your offer and shipping discount if that's required, then select submit. To locate your active offers in the app, go to account tab, or on the web select your profile picture and select my offers. And if you want to accept the offer, go to offer details page. Below the buyer's offer, select accept offer, and the counter offer will be sent back to the buyer for them to accept or decline. The option to match a buyer's previous offer is only available while the seller's offer is active. So basically that is the only way to accept offer as buyer or as seller. So basically you're gonna have accept offer option. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.